Good evening. Today we are at Dr. Meenakshi's son's wedding, and it's a great occasion. And,
Absolutely.
There are a lot of things that she believes in, and she practices what she believes in. And today we are seeing a complete zero waste wedding, where everything is very well taken care of. They have planned well. The decorations are eco-friendly, and there is nothing that will be disposed to the landfill. And most of it goes back to recycling. So let's just have a look around and how she has arranged for all this.
Since yesterday, the wedding has started, and we have actually just produced very little garbage which has to be produced. There's nothing that we have disposables, no disposables at all. So as you can see, there are steel lotas and glasses. We've had ganne ka juice so that there is no, it's as eco-friendly as possible and healthy for the person who is drinking it. This is the steel plates that we have got from the plate bank that has been set up by the MLA of Malleshwaram, Dr. Ashwath Narayan. And anybody who would like to use it, there are 2,000 plates. 2,000 of everything. Plates, glasses, spoons, katoris, everything is available for us here in Malleshwaram. So nobody in Malleshwaram should actually be using any single-use disposables.
That's so important that people realize that disposables should not be used in big, celebrations.
Correct.
Because planet needs us to be more careful in what we throw on.
Throw out.
Yes.
So it's very simple. You just have to tell the caterer that you want to use no single-use disposables. We have people who are cleaning it properly. That's the major worry. Will the glass be clean? Will the plate be clean? Why will the glass not be clean? Why will the plate not be clean? It means that you just have to employ the people who will take care of it. And Hasiru Dala, the group that works on waste management, is actually here for the last 1.5 days to make sure that our vessels are sparkling clean and, very conducive to everybody who comes here. Nobody has had over 1,000 guests we have had since yesterday. Nobody has had any complaints because we are using steel everything and glass everything.
That is fantastic. That's fantastic, and it is doable.
Absolutely.
It's not something that you need to put a lot of effort to.
Absolutely.
You just have to think and believe that this is what celebrations should be about.
It's possible.
Yeah.
So you have to believe in it and you have to want to do it.
Yes.
Like you would do so many other things for the wedding, this is also something that you do. Then when you leave the venue, there are no bags and bags and bags of disposable garbage which is going to the landfill. We will only have compostable garbage that is left from the making of the food and some of the food that is wasted. That is all the garbage, Vani, we will have.
Yeah.
So isn't that excellent?
Absolutely.
And
you have always set the trend, and I hope that more people look at this as a way, to go. And the more the people join in this kind of, movement, I'm sure that Bangalore will be a great space for big occasions where there is nothing that is disposed.
Absolutely.
Yeah?
So the decorations are also made with waste. We went to the dry waste collection go down and brought bottles that were being disposed, and you can see that these decorations also look so pretty. And then we have coconut shells that have been carved everywhere, and as you can see, these are all throwaways that have been used to make lovely decorations. So it requires you to use your imagination to make something different.
Yes.
That's what we've done. The food that is being served here is all naturopathy, which means that there are no 5 whites. There is no milk, there is no white sugar, there is no white maida, there is no white atta, and there is no white rice. We have used all the vegetables that have come from people who are doing natural farming, farmers who are doing natural farming. The vegetables are absolutely tasty, and you can see that the food tastes completely different.
Yeah.
Most of it is made of millets, and the food is cooked without any oil. Everybody has loved the food. Vani, did you like the food in the morning?
Of course, it was wonderful, and we always look forward for such, amazing whole food, meals.
Whole plant foods.
Yes.
So that's what has happened.
So many, what kind of segregation is happening, and are you all using any tissues?
Not at all. So we got lovely cloth designed. It's printed material made into napkins, which are like this, and we are giving it to every guest. And after they finish eating, when they come to keep their plates, they put it into this bin. So these will be washed again, and we will be able to use it for the next event. So it's an investment that you make once, and it will actually last you maybe 5-10 years.
And I know that you've been also lending it to friends for their occasions.
Yes, absolutely.
Yes, that's so wonderful. Tell us something about what Hasirudala is doing at your wedding.
So Hasirudala has come in as an agency that will help us to keep this whole place clean, the plates absolutely sparkling, and they come with a full team. And there is a supervisor also. Vishwanath is the supervisor for us. And today they have been cleaning, washing, drying, and counting and keeping all the plates. And the food from the plate will go separately into the bins here at the back. So it is not only goes into the bins, at the end of the event we'll be able to say how many kgs of waste we have produced and how next time we should be able to reduce that.
We need specialized people who are trained in managing waste for occasions, because you just you hire them, and their services are absolutely necessary, because they ensure that nothing goes to the landfill, because they make sure that your food waste is kept separately and they take it away for composting and other stuff.
Absolutely. So the vegetable waste and the fruit waste that is coming will get composted. The food waste will also get composted or go to the biogas. Does it go to the biogas? Yes. The cooked food waste will go to the biogas, and Hasirudala ensures that this will happen. Nothing from here will go to the landfill. If there are any pieces of paper or plastic, which we have ensured that it is as little as possible, maybe at the end of 1.5 days there may be 2 kgs of dry waste. That's all. Otherwise, usually a wedding like this will produce over a ton of waste, which will go to the landfill. So nothing will go to the landfill from here. So we'll show you how they do the washing.
So many here, you can see a lot of drums with food waste. So she says there are fruit peels, leftover food, fruit peels. So the fruit peels will go for composting, and the leftover food is going to the biogas unit, and that's the dry waste that she's showing. So this is so well organized, and an outfit like Hasirudala will definitely know how to deal with whatever comes out of any occasion like this.
A lot of the waste is the sugarcane bagasse that is available to us. At the end of a wedding, we have 1 bag of dry waste.
Because there has been no bottled water, there is no paper cups, so definitely the kind of dry waste that is generated is minimal.
Correct.
Most people are wondering how the vessels can be kept clean. Will people be okay with? That's why they use disposables, thinking that you cannot maintain clean vessels. But if you can pay, you're spending such a large amount on a wedding. If you could pay a small batch of people good amount, they will keep it clean, and somebody can monitor it.
So never let a plate dry. Put it into a container with water in it so that it doesn't dry. It makes cleaning that much easier. And secondly, we are using bioenzymes so that the water that is utilized, people often say it uses up so much of water. So the water that is utilized can go directly to the plants. It doesn't have to go into the sewage system.
There's no chemical in the washing.
No chemical in the washing. So it can go into the plants immediately and will not harm the plants.
There's minimal use of water, I see.
Yeah, so there is bioenzyme in this bucket, and they are putting it into it, and the bioenzyme completely cleans it up. Also, the other advantage is there is no oil in the cooking in this place, so the cleaning process becomes that much easier. Don't use disposables for any occasion that happens, be
Small
it a birthday, small or big.
Yes.
Be it a birthday, a wedding, a tithi, a conference. everything you can use the reusables.
Nowadays we see that people, after the plastic covers, carry bags have been banned, people use a material called the PP bags, which is again not really eco-friendly. So what have you done in this wedding?
So we have actually got lovely, thicker material of bags made. Usually there is Cora, but this is thicker material, and there is a little Velcro that has been put there, so that
And you can hang it on your
and
shoulder.
you can hang it on your shoulder and go shopping when you go there. So anytime that you're going, even when you're going for a morning walk, this is the ideal thing.
Yes.
So when you buy sopu, you can put it into this and use it. Instead of giving Vetle Paka, which is of no use, we have actually given people a bottle of haldi. Instead of giving haldi kumkum, we have given a bottle of turmeric,
Okay.
so that you can use it for the cooking.
Cooking. So I don't see any thermocol banner with the bride and groom's names. So what have you used here?
So we've actually, this is a piece of wood which is the background, and then the whole name has been made out of rope with a little bit of cardboard behind.
Wow.
And some chunam. So it makes an excellent thing that you can do. Again, we have kolam there right near the gate. There is kolam that is there
On a cloth.
on a
banner.
cloth banner, so that you can use that kolam banner over and over again.
This is brilliant. You have thought of so many things, and a real great example for a true eco-friendly celebrations.
Thank you, Vani. Thank you.
I hope many people feel inspired and start celebrating like this.
Absolutely. Can be done very easily.
Yes.
Little thought. When you get your blouses stitched and you put so much thought into your dress,
Yeah.
put a little thought into your wedding.
Excellent.
Thank you.
Thank you.